Okay, let's do it again. So we're finding all of the possible rational, all the possible ones. We're not actually finding them yet, just the possible ones. So I look to see, yes, this is in standard form. So here's my P. Here's my Q. I go positive and negative, P over Q. Positive and negative. So all my P's, 1, 9, and then 3. Yes, I write it like that because I don't want to just start guessing which ones. I want to be consistent about the ones that I do. So 4 is 1 and 4, and then 2 and 2, so just 1, 2. I go positive and negative, so then I do the P divided by the Q. So I'm going to go 1, 1/2, 1/4. 3, 3 over 2, 3 over 4. 9, 9 over 2, 9 over 4. And then I'm done. Beautiful. Okay. Now, let's actually find the 0. So this guy says find all zeros. Okay, so a few things that we know. The highest degree is 3. Whoop. So there I know I'm gonna have 3 zeros. Okay, remember, we want to do synthetic division once, and then we're gonna factor it. So we're gonna try and get it down to x squared. You guys, my handwriting is terrible. Okay, so I've got 3 zeros. I want to get it down to x squared. We've done this before, but we found it as factors and we left it in those parentheses. We don't want to leave it in those parentheses anymore. We want to be able to figure this out. However, we don't know anything, right? So we know this is when my positive and negative P over Q is going to come into play. P over Q. We're going to do my possible ones, then we're actually going to find one. Okay, so P is 1 and 42, 2 and 21. Almost got that wrong. Get nervous. 3, 42 divided by 3. Yep, 3 and 14. 4, nope. 5, nope. 6, yeah, 6 and 7. Okay, there they are. So now here's the tricky part, is now we've got to figure out, okay, which one of those work? Okay, they work if they're a factor. If they're a factor, that means that when I do synthetic division, my remainder will be 0. So here we go. I've got to go through this process. It's literally like a guess and check. So here's my possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42, and oh, gotta go back up to see the initial problem. And so I'm gonna do synthetic division. If you're not working in a pencil, you might want to start. So we're gonna go 1. Okay, so I'm gonna go 1, negative 6, negative 13, and 42. Synthetic division, I'm trying to get 0 as a remainder. Negative 5, I already know going through this is gonna be a no-go. Right? No. Okay, so 1's not gonna work. So now I gotta do it again. I'm gonna do it with a different color here. And now I'm gonna try 3. Just guessing, because 1 was too small. A negative 1, I'm gonna say no. A 2, I'm just gonna try negative 3. Okay. Sometimes you get it on the first try, sometimes you don't. Okay, here we go. Bring it down. 1, 3, negative 3, negative 9. Ooh, here we go. 21. Oh, 9. Man, never mind. 3 times that. So no, that's too many. Okay. So maybe it's negative 2. I'm gonna go over here and do I'm going to do 2. 1, negative 6, negative 13, 42. Oh, I think I'm out of my bounds. I'm going to go down here. Okay. 2. Oh goodness, oh goodness. getting a little excited here. Okay, ready? 2, 1, -6, -13, and 42. 1, 2, -4, -8. Here we go. -21, -42. My remainder is 0. 2 works. I'm going to put a big circle around 2 because that's part of my answer. So now that 2 works, I set this up and I go x squared minus 4x minus 21. I'm going to factor this guy. Erase that. I don't know where that guy came from. 2 numbers that multiply to give me 21 are 7 and 3. We're going to go minus, we're going to go plus. So x is equal to 2, 7, and -3. Those are my zeros. Then here's your homework. Okay, these you're going to do plus and minus p over q. These guys you're going to find your zeros. Okay, get them down to x squared, and then you can factor that. 19 will have 3 answers. That guy will have 3 answers. This one will have 3. That guy will have 4 answers. 4 answers and 4 answers. Make sure you put placeholders. Okay, have fun.